Action.
Greetings from 2126. If you are watching this, you have been selected for the most critical of missions. You are known in our time as the Potentials, and we recognize in your minds the capacity to accelerate the adoption of nature-centric governance. Our scientific community discovered that the great catastrophe could be prevented entirely through the formation of a new time branch originating in Cardiff on the 22nd of January 2026. This mission is being operationalized on behalf of Gaia by the formidable bravery of the National Future Service, NFS, representatives of which are now with you today.
Action.
I entrust the next phase of this intervention to the NFS and their careful stewardship. Listen carefully as they brief you for your mission. Gaia speed to intertemporal flight number 4242.